if you're planning to buy a refrigerator and you're looking for something that is very affordable at the same time high quality, I could really recommend this Von refrigerator right here. It's black in color, of course. It's black in a complement any type of room, sindio? And then has 12 months warranty, eco-friendly, low noise, iko na cool pack, alafu iko na 2 years warranty on the compressor to start it to make sure it is energy efficient, 168 liters capacity, and then it is going for only 42,499 Kenya shillings. Checky, let me show you inside. The cool pack is meant to keep your items cold for like 9 hours ama overnight. You can even unaweza kuwa unatumia mchana iko on, alafu overnight unaizima, alafu bado itakuwa functional kabisa. This is a cool pack. All right, it is meant to keep your freezer fridge cold for like 9 hours longer, when even in case there's an electric outage. Sindio, stima ikipotea, at least you're sure that itakuwa vitu zako zitakuwa fresh even by the time the electricity is back, of course, after 9 hours, of course. So and then inside ikuna those 3 tempered glass shelves. Looks like that. Na pia unaweza adjust the shelves levels, okay? Alafu kwa mlango iko na 1 2 3 shelves kwa mlango ya fridge. Looks like that. Alafu pia unaweza adjust pia the temperatures ya fridge, right? So it looks like that. Come and get yourself this one right here at Patazone.